Hello everyone, welcome to Hiru Handmade Crochet YouTube channel. Today we have got a fantastic project in store for you. A beginner friendly crochet hoop earring pattern that's not only quick to make but also incredibly stylish. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through every step to create these beautiful customizable hoop earrings that you will be proud to wear or gift. So grab your crochet hook, some yarn in your favorite colors, and let's get started on this creative journey together. Before we dive into the project, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our crochet tutorials, tips and tricks. Now without further things, let's pick up our crochet hooks and embark on this crochet adventure. Let's look into the things needed. I'm gonna be using size 8 cotton yarn. You can use a thin kind of a yarn over here. Along with that, the 1.5mm steel crochet hook and 2 hoops, and the diameter of these is 3.5 centimeters, and we need 2 hook ear wires, 2 eye pins, and these 2 glass beads to decorate the earrings. And we will need the yarn needle, the pair of scissors, flat nose pliers, round nose pliers, and the wire cutters. These are the things required. Now let's see how to make it. Now we will start with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger 2 times. And then insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we are ready with our magic ring. Chain 2 to start with round 1. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. And then we are going to work 12 double crochets into the magic ring. We will start with the first one. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring. Yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we have completed the first double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring. Yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through first 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we have completed 2 double crochets into the magic ring. Like that we will continue. 3, 4, 5, 6, and now I feel like the magic ring is too big. I'm gonna pull this tail a little to make it smaller like this, and then we will continue to make the rest of the double crochets. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. After completing 12 double crochets, we will pull this tail tight to close the magic ring properly, and then we will start working a slip stitch into the first double crochet over here. Insert the hook into the stitch on top of the first double crochet, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the first round. Again we will start round 2, chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we need to work 3 double crochets together into the next stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 5 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. When you have 4 loops, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. This is 3 double crochets together. Again chain 1 and work a double crochet into the next stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. This is what we have done so far. Again chain 1 and work 3 double crochets together into the very next stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 5 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 4 loops, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. This is 3 double crochets together again. Chain 1 and work another double crochet into the next stitch. Then again chain 1 and work 3 double crochets together into the next stitch as well. One, 2 and 3. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. This is what we have completed so far. Again chain 1 and work a double crochet into the next stitch. And just like that we are going to continue until the end of the round. So complete the round and meet me back there at the end. Now I am at the end of round 2 and then we are going to work a slip stitch to join the round into the third chain from the starting point. 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain. So insert the hook into the third chain, yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our second round. This is what it looks like. And then we will start with round 3. Chain 1 and we are going to work 3 single crochets into the first chain 1 space here. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the first single crochet. Again insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the second single crochet. Again insert the hook into the space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we have completed 3 single crochets. Again work another 3 single crochets into the next chain 1 space here. 1, 2 and 3. Then again work 3 single crochets into the next chain 1 space here as well. 1, 2 and 3, and again work 3 single crochets into each one of the chain 1 spaces around. Now I have completed round 3 as well. Then again work a slip stitch into the starting point over here. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the round 3. And then I'm gonna see how to attach the hoop into the crochet part of the earring. So we will take our hoop and use the round nose pliers to make a loop on top of the hoop like this. And then we are going to keep the crochet part of the earring like this, so that we can just crochet over the wire. And first we will join by chain 1. And then we are going to work single crochets into each one of the stitches around. So make sure to work all these single crochets over the wire so that it will be attached to the wire properly. This is the end of round 4, and then chain 1, leave a little tail and we can cut the yarn off like so, and then we can use the yarn needle to hide the tails of the project. After hiding both the tails, we are going to attach the other pieces to complete the earring. First of all, we will take the eye pin and I'm gonna make this loop a little bigger by using the round nose pliers, because the hole of my beads are a bit bigger. like so. And then I'm gonna join the earring piece into the loop like this and secure that with the pliers. And then we will insert the bead and make another loop on the other side of the wire. After that, we will attach the hook ear wire also into the loop and close it properly. Now we have completed one of the earrings. Just like that, we are going to complete the other one as well. Now I have completed both the earrings here. I hope I have explained all the instructions clearly for you. If you have any question regarding making this, you can comment in the comment section below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.